Identifying and promoting the technical quantum leaps, as well as being the most important and influential trade fair for the printing and media industry, this is how Werner M. Dornscheidt described the significance and the responsibility of the drupa in the past and in the present. And this is to remain so in the future, and the reorientation as well as the growing markets outside of Europe are not going to change that. The drupa will continue to be the strongest trade fair for printing machines and printing paper machines in the world. This is something we already know. The magnitude of it has already been set and the exhibition grounds will be fully booked again. It is true that we also have other trade fairs and are part of the All-in Print China, which is now about half the size of the drupa, but which also cannot expand any further as the fairground is full there as well. So we are very optimistic, but the drupa is still the #1 and will continue to be the most important trade fair in the world. The range of products offered at the drupa has been fundamentally revised by those in charge at the Messe Düsseldorf and the VDMA, short for the German Engineering Association. This, as well as the renowned exhibitors, result in exhibition areas which the international manufacturers and suppliers can relate to. The topic of functional printing, for example, is ever present at the moment. It is becoming more and more important. The last events we had already dealt with this subject a lot, and it will become increasingly important. But we also noticed that 3D printing is a topic which has to be shown at the drupa. That is why we included it in the nomenclature and will accordingly present it to the visitors. The size of the market for the printing and media industry in Europe amounted to about 156 billion euros in 2013. Nearly 30 billion alone of that fall onto Germany. The drupa in Düsseldorf will be the marketplace for this trade volume in 2016 and further into the future, as confirmed by the organizers and the Association of Exhibitors alike. Touch the future at the drupa in Düsseldorf.